This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the account and permissions so the sharing profile can appear. Check that you're signed into the same account on the device and app, because mismatched accounts block names/photo sharing. Then open Settings and grant contacts and photos permissions. Without those, the app can't access your chosen image. Make sure network sync is active and force close, then reopen the app. Once done, you'll see whether the profile data begins to populate. Now you'll reset the profile itself to resolve lingering conflicts. Open the profile editor inside the app and re-enter your display name, then choose a new photo or reselect the same image so the server registers a change. If that doesn't propagate, clear the app cache or toggle the in-app profile sync off and back on to force a refresh. Finally, sign out and sign back in. This forces the service to push your updated name and photo from the server to the device. Finish by forcing a full sync, and confirming the web account shows your new name and photo so the change is authoritative. If it still fails, update the app and device OS, because compatibility bugs often cause missing sharing items. Reinstall the app if needed. Make sure to test on another device to isolate device-specific issues. If none of this works, gather account ID and export logs. Then contact support. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different network to rule out firewall or carrier blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.